Welcome to the Denodo Security Management course. In this course, we will learn about the different security concepts in the Denodo platform and also see how we can implement them. The agenda of this module is to learn about the modules, which we are going to cover in the Denodo Security Management course. Throughout this course, we will learn about different security concepts and also see how administrators can leverage these options to secure the application. We will cover many topics ranging from authentication, authorization and access rights, single sign-on, or how to encrypt the data using different authentication mechanisms in Denodo Platform. Denodo Platform offers a single logical point of access, making it a unified security layer. As it avoids point-to-point connections from consuming applications to the information sources and acting as a single point of access for applications, it is the ideal place to enforce access security restrictions that can be defined in terms of the canonical model with a very fine granularity. Using the Denodo platform, it is possible to enforce secure access from consumer applications to final data sources end-to-end. Denodo platform and its components can be accessed by different types of users. Being the administrator of the Denodo platform, we would need to ensure that the system is well protected and is only accessed by trusted users. Virtual Data Port provides several advanced security features to ensure that the system is safe and secure. Denodo Platform incorporates various security features related to authentication and authorization, which includes creating users, roles, masking the data, etc. It also uses different security protocols for securing the connections which access the Virtual Data Port layer, or if Virtual Data Port accesses other data sources. In the Security Management course, we are going to learn about the different security concepts. In the initial section of the course, we will learn how administrators can manage the users who are accessing the Denodo platform or its components. To ensure that access rights are maintained, administrators can delegate the authentication to an Active Directory system, such that the users of AD can access the Denodo platform. Also, it is possible to create users and roles in the Virtual Data Port, and further the security can be enhanced by granting different levels of privileges for the users or roles. With different access rights in place, the amount of information which can be exposed to different users can be controlled by the administrator. For instance, if developers must be able to access the employee-related view, but not be able to see the entire data in that view, like salary details, then those details can be masked using the advanced privileges offered by the Denodo platform. We will learn in depth about these features in the modules displayed in the slide. In the next section of this course, we will learn how administrators can enable single sign-on in the Denodo platform using Kerberos or different identity providers. This allows users to log into different Denodo platform components without providing the credentials again in a secure fashion. We will have one specific module for Kerberos authentication and another one for other single sign-on mechanisms using an identity provider as shown in the slide. We will end this course by reviewing some other mechanisms available for securing the connections on the Denodo layer, as Virtual Data Port can secure the access from consumers to sources in a secure and encrypted manner. Generally, the consumers either connect to the Denodo platform, which is known as northbound connection, or Denodo platform connects to different data sources, which are known as southbound connections. In either of the cases, the data can be protected and made secure such that it moves seamlessly from one point to another without compromising the security. Certain protocols, depending on the connection, can be set up to achieve this level of security. Protocols like TLS, HTTPS, SFTP, etc. can be configured and used in the Denodo platform. The modules displayed in the slide will cover the different topics about securing connections when the data is in movement, or if the data is in rest. During the first modules of the course, the privileges shown are based on roles. Role-based access control, or RBAC, defines roles that carry a specific set of privileges, which are then assigned to subjects. In contrast, attribute-based access control, ABAC, is another access control model that restricts access based on the attributes of the connected session. This essentially considers the what, where, and WHO of a specific user session. With ABAC, administrators can achieve finer-grained control over privilege assignments. The module shown on the slide will cover this topic in detail, explaining how to set up global security policies in Denodo. As a final summary, in this course we will learn about the various security concepts that can be implemented in the Denodo platform. We hope you enjoy and learn new concepts in the training.